Hello, my name is Qays Omar. I am a big data analytics student at the Georgian College. In today's video, I would like to present my work for assignment number 3 in the Information Encoding Standards course. So let's start. In this assignment, I have created an ASP.NET Core web application that demonstrates the JSON Web Token based authentication process. So in this presentation, I will demonstrate how to access a secure website using the JSON Web Token. And then I will show you that the JSON Web Token is structured of 3 parts, which is the header, the payload, and the signature. Typically, the header consists of 2 parts, which is the JSON Web Token and the hashing algorithm that's being used. So in the authentication, when the user successfully logs in using their credentials and secure data, a JSON Web Token will be returned. So in the payload part of the token, it consists of claims, which are usually statements about the entity. So we start in the process of accessing a secure website. So it requires to obtain and access a web token, and then to use the access token as the key to grant access to the secure website, as I will show you now. In order to access a secure website, first we have to generate an access token. So in this assignment, I have tried to access a non-secure web page that is supposed to retrieve the weather forecast. So it couldn't allow me to decode and generate the JSON web token. So now I have used the Postman application, which is an API that make it possible for any 2 applications to transfer and share the data between each other. So it make it easier for the application to use and execute action without having to use another coding or application graphical user interface. So as we can see here, I have tried to log in to the website, but it wasn't allow me, so I have to get granted an authentication code. So I have used my username and my password, and then I have generated a key so I can use it in my authentication process. So I have posted the token in this section. So and then I have clicked on send using the post. As we can see, I have retrieved the information securely from the website, which was about the temperature and the summary of the data. So in this assignment, I will show you my code where I have constructed my classes. As we can see, I have give the name JSON Web Token Authentication Token Bearer to my project. I created the classes. First, I have added in the app settings, I have added the authentication key. So as we can see in the app settings, I added the key, and then I added a public string key in the app settings for getting and setting the data, and also in the startup I have added authorize for the JSON web token authentication in this class. So also I have added authentication controller and the weather forecast controller. So now I am running the program, so it will show me that I have no access for this website because it's not secure. So I will use my username and my password, and using the Postman website. As we can see, this is the Postman web application. So this is the token that already we have generated. So I'm gonna delete it now and start show you just a small process how I get. So we have inserted the website here that we have no secure access to it. So now we got no viewed data. So now we have to generate as an authentication. So as we can see, I have used my username and my password. So also I have used the JSON, as we can see. Also I changed the stat to post because I want to use the post to send the data to the server, and now we are ready to send the data. So after sending the request to the server, now we have retrieved us a token. So this token we will be using to generate and decode the data back from the website. So right now we go to the token section and we send it here. Click send. Now we have retrieved the data from the website, which is about the weather forecast information that contains the date and the temperature in Celsius and the temperature on Fahrenheit, and the summary about the data. So the Postman API make it possible for the application to transfer and share the data securely. So that's mostly my work for the assignment, and thank you for watching my video, and see you.